to resize videos in Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can resize videos on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open any browser and go to the website of Picsart, picsart.com. Make sure you are logged in. Once you're on the home page, here click on the new project or scroll down and find the design you like. After finding it, click on the design and you will reach to the editing space here. Now in this space, use the search bar to find the video or select the video from your gallery by selecting the upload option. Once you select the video you want to resize from the search results on your Canva, drag and adjust the ends of the videos to make it smaller or bigger. Also, you can click on that trim option at the top of the screen indicated by a scissor icon and you can minimize or maximize the video shape. So in this way you can resize videos in Picsart. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.